1. The 7-second rule. Research shows we form impressions of someone within 7 seconds, or less. In fact, your brain starts evaluating a person's trustworthiness in milliseconds. That's faster than you can consciously think. Why? Because humans evolved to scan faces and body language instantly, deciding friend, foe, or neutral. Survival demanded speed. 2. Thin slicing. Psychologists call this thin slicing, making big judgments based on tiny slices of behavior. A smile, a handshake, a tone of voice. It feels unfair, but it's efficient. Studies show we can often predict traits like confidence, warmth, or dominance from a few seconds of interaction. 3. What we notice first. So what stands out most in those first seconds? Appearance. Clothing, grooming, posture. Not vanity. It signals status, effort, and attention to detail. Facial expression. A genuine smile or eye contact triggers trust. A frown or blank face? Distance. Body language. Open gestures invite. Crossed arms, poor posture, or looking away suggests closed off or insecure. Tone of voice. Warmth, speed, and clarity can shape whether someone sees you as confident or nervous. 4. The halo effect. Once we make a first impression, it creates a halo. If someone seems kind at first, we assume they're also trustworthy, smart, or capable, even with no proof. This bias colors all future interactions. The danger? If the first impression is wrong, the halo can be hard to undo. 5. The role of bias. Here's the tricky part. First impressions aren't always fair. Our brains use shortcuts, cognitive biases. Someone who looks like a person you trust may get an instant boost. Someone who reminds you of a bad memory may face unfair skepticism. Culture, stereotypes, and past experiences all filter what you see. 6. Changing first impressions. Can you fix a bad first impression? Yes, but it takes time. Psychologists say it requires consistent, disconfirming evidence. If someone thought you were cold, you'll need repeated warmth to undo it. Think of it like rewiring a neural pathway. The first track is quick, but it's not permanent. 7. How to make a better first impression. A few simple tips backed by psychology. Smile genuinely, signals warmth and trust. Make eye contact, shows attention and confidence. Mirror subtly. Matching body language builds instant rapport. Be present. Distractions like checking your phone kill connection. Listen. People remember less what you said, more how you made them feel. Subscribe for more Psychology Simplified videos, where we take the hidden forces of the mind and explain them simply.